can use one of these pressers like this. Get the studs out. It's not an expensive press. It works. You can also drive them out. Alright, that's all of them. That's what we're after. Here's all my rusty studs, wheel studs. I'm going to put them down into some Rust-Oleum rust dissolver. Let those sit while we work on the hub. The seal on this side was actually pretty good. The other side that I've already done, it was not so good. And there's the seal. Alright, that bearing just comes right out. Let's drive out that other race. There it is. There's an internal snap ring here. Sometimes that race Sometimes if you're having trouble with it, that race is backed up on it, smack the race down, let that come out nice and easy. Then we just flip it around and drive it out. Now we're just going to clean up this surface, the other surface. I'm going to tape over them We're going to wire brush all this off, clean it, make it nice and look good. So here's just about everything painted. There's the hub we just took off. It's only got one coat on it. Next time we'll try to put it all back together. So that keyway from the driver's side was a little short. So we're going to see if we can't make a new one. Let that cool off for a minute, then we'll grind that little lip off. This is our other hub. Just going to kind of clean off where we had that duct tape stuck on so we can paint. There we go. Not sticky anymore. Alright, so we're just going to add a little white lithium grease to the bearing. There seems to be a little bit of controversy over whether or not you need to pack these. Since this is a full floater, you will have gear oil from the differential flow down through the tube and get into the hub. Some people pack them, some people don't. I'm just going to try to lube them up a little bit. My main concern is really just keeping it from rusting, because it's probably going to be a while before I'm done and I actually get gear oil in it. Alright, so we're just going to drop it in. The fat lip of the race is what goes up towards you. So we just kind of drop the bearing in. Then the race. And now we'll set the race. Now I'm going to use a brass punch, but to be honest with you, if you go slow and easy, you can use a steel punch. You just got to be careful. Take your time. Don't get in a hurry. Now we're going to put in the back bearing. The fat end of the race goes down this time. Come on. Well, it's trying to walk around on me. There we go. It looks like it's good. Careful with that back bearing since there's no seal to hold it in place.